The GVM light kit can be used to enhance the lighting of photos and videos. The kit includes 2 GVM LED lights, 2 support stands, 4 batteries, and 2 AC adapters with AC extension cords. The GVM LED lights can be turned on by opening the panels and flipping the switch on the back. To operate with battery power, flip the switch to the left-hand side, or the side with the double lines. To operate with the adapter, flip the switch to the right-hand side, or the side with the one line. If you intend on using the lights for an extended period, we recommend using the AC adapters rather than the batteries, because the battery life is short. The knobs on the back of the light can be used to adjust the light's color and intensity. Turning the CCT knob will change the color of the light. The color ranges from 2300 to 6800 Kelvin. Turning the intensity knob clockwise will make the light brighter. Turn it counterclockwise to make it dimmer. In order to use the GVM LED lights, you will need to mount them onto the 2 GVM support stands. Unfold the support stand, tighten the knob firmly to secure the legs, and then put the GVM light on top. You will need to turn the knob on the LED light to attach it securely onto the stand. Once you've attached the LED light, you may adjust the stand to the height that you desire. Once you have both lights set up, you can move them around to create the lighting of your scene however you like.